This is Earth as it was 250 million years ago. The world had just entered the Mesozoic era following the Paleozoic, and specifically was experiencing the early Triassic. During these days, not even a map of the world would be recognizable, as the planet was still largely covered by the supercontinent Pangaea. This giant landmass occupied around a third of the Earth's total surface and consisted of over 95% of all land. Only to the east were there other substantial landmasses in the form of continental islands, which consisted of what would become today North China and South China. The minor Amurian tectonic plate was also separated from the supercontinent, being composed of present-day Korea, parts of Japan, and northeastern China. These islands would have been surrounded by the Paleotethys Sea, which contained very balmy waters as the equator ran right through it for its entire width. And to the east of this sea, the largest body of water to ever exist could be found, the Panthalassic superocean. This gargantuan body of water would have been at least 1,860 miles or 3,000 kilometers longer than the Pacific at its widest. Despite the very unnormal proportions of the land masses and bodies of water, large parts of Pangaea were made up of expansive deserts where life was practically impossible, the Triassic being very undiverse in life. Were supercharged by the giant size of Pangaea and brought heavy seasonal rain, the likes of which is unseen today, reaching 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit, with warmer fluctuations also occurring. The poles is where things got interesting, as the temperatures were more forgiving and life became more abundant throughout what is now Russia, China, India, and South Africa.